In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a loan in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing your small business finances or keeping track of personal finances, knowing how to record loans accurately is essential for maintaining a clear view of your financial standing. So let's dive into the steps that will help you seamlessly enter a loan into QuickBooks Online within just a few minutes. First things first, we need to sign into QuickBooks Online. This is where it all begins, so ensure you're connected to the internet and you have your login credentials ready. Quickly navigate your way to the sign-in page, then proceed to select the option for QuickBooks Online. As you do this, make sure you're logging into the correct QuickBooks account, especially if you manage multiple businesses or financial portfolios. You'll then enter your credentials, which usually include your email and password, and click continue. After signing in, take a moment to let the dashboard load. Once you're logged in, it's time to get to the nuts and bolts of this process. Head over to the Transactions tab on your left-hand menu. This tab is your gateway to all things financial, from managing income and expenses to tracking payments. After you're there, click on the Chart of Accounts option. The Chart of Accounts is a crucial component in QuickBooks as it's essentially your financial framework. It holds all your accounts and the transactions recorded against them, making it an invaluable tool for tracking every aspect of your finances. Now we're tasked with adding a new account, particularly for the loan you're entering. To do this, hit the New button. This will open up a form that allows you to create a new account in your Chart of Accounts. In the account name field, you'll need to specify the loan's name. This name should be specific enough for you to identify the loan easily. For instance, if it's a bank loan or an equipment loan, including those details can help with quick identification later. Once you've entered the loan's name, it's important to categorize this loan correctly. In the account type drop-down menu, select long-term liabilities. This categorization is critical because loans are a type of liability and you want to ensure they are properly recorded in your financial statements. After that, specify the detail type by choosing Other Long-Term Liabilities. Ensuring these settings are correct supports proper financial reporting and compliance with accounting standards. Lastly, you'll want to save your work. Click Save, and just like that, your new loan account is created and ready for any related payments or updates. Remember to periodically review and update your entries to reflect any changes in the loan status or amount. That wraps up our tutorial on entering a loan in QuickBooks Online. By following these steps, you'll be able to keep your financial statements accurate and organized. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials on mastering your financial management tools.